Lan, a Vietnamese English teacher, invited her friends Emma from the UK and Tom from the US to her kitchen in the Mekong Delta. "Today," she smiled, "we'll learn English by cooking Vietnamese vegan sour soup." They gathered around a table full of fresh ingredients. Lan pointed and taught the words: soft tofu, tomatoes, pineapple, elephant's ear, morning glory, sawtooth coriander, tamarind, and more. Tom chuckled. "Morning glory? That's a vegetable?" "Here, yes," Lan laughed. They started cooking. First, they simmered tamarind, tomatoes, and pineapple until the broth tasted sweet, sour, and salty. Min, Lan's brother, fried minced garlic in oil, filling the kitchen with a rich aroma. Next, they boiled the soup base, added tofu, then vegetables, and finished with a final boil. Min topped it with garlic oil, herbs, and chili. As they ate, they repeated the steps in English, smiling between spoonfuls. "Delicious," said Emma. "And educational," added Tom. Learning English had never been so tasty. Words: 1. Simmer 2. Tofu 3. Tamarind 4. Garnish 5. Herbs. Meanings: A. A soft white food made from soybeans. B. To cook something gently, just below boiling. C. A sour fruit used to give flavor to soups. D. Plants like coriander or mint used to add flavor. E. To add decoration or toppings to food before serving. Let's discuss. If a foreign friend wants to learn how to cook a Vietnamese dish, 1. Which dish would you choose to teach them, and why? 2. What basic steps would you explain to help them cook it?